Hi everyone and assalamu alaikum. I was here with another easy breezy recipe. Oh no, biryani is not an easy breezy dish to make. It takes nearly 3 hours to make biryani, though it's not difficult to make, but it needs constant supervision. There are so many different types of biryani and so many ways to make it. Everyone has their own way with it. This is my style of making mutton masala biryani. I don't add any fancy ingredients and I make it from ready-made masala powder which is readily available in any Indian or Pakistani shops. Why don't I use my own homemade masala? Well, because I like to make my life easier. So, biryani is one popular food that everyone loves. Whoever knows a bit about Indian or Pakistani cuisine, they surely know about biryani. Indian biryani is totally different from Pakistani biryani, and even Pakistani biryani has many variations. I learned this method from my sister in law, and then through years of experimentation and consideration of my family's likes and dislikes, I mastered the art of biryani making. For example, my husband hates potatoes in biryani and doesn't even consider chicken biryani a biryani. So, definitely, Sindhi biryani is not for him. My family thinks this is what actual biryani is. I call it masala biryani because it's full of masala and white rice are rarely noticeable. Before I start on with the recipe, I'll let you know that whenever we Pakistanis make biryani, we make it in a big pot worth serving 12 to 15 people. So at our place, this much biryani lasts 2 days and sometimes kids love to have it for breakfast too. So you can adjust the ingredients accordingly. To make things easier, I have split this recipe in 4 steps. First step is to marinate the mutton. Second step is to cook the mutton gravy. Third step is to soak and cook the rice. Fourth step is layering the rice with gravy and steaming it. First step, marinating the mutton. Here are all the ingredients that's used for marination. Biryani masala. I ended up using 3 of them instead of 2 because I had 3 kilos of mutton. 2 cups yogurt and 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 8 huge tomatoes and half a lemon. You can either marinate your mutton a day before or in the morning. When I don't have much time, I marinate it while the onions are being fried, which means that they are in marination for at least 30 minutes. So I did 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to 3 kilo mutton. Then I added 2 packs of biryani masala and 2 cups of yogurt. I then thinly sliced the lemon and removed its seeds and top and added it to the mixture. Then I cut the tomatoes in chunks. People usually slice them in circles. But the thing is, when they're cooked with meat, they lose their shape. So it doesn't matter how you cut them. Then I added these tomatoes to the mutton and gave it a good mix. On mixing it, I could feel that the spices were less and the aroma wasn't there, and even the color looked bland. So I read the instructions, which clearly said that this biryani masala pack was for 1 kg meat. So I did one more and mixed it thoroughly. So here's what I used to marinate the mutton. 3 packs of biryani masala, 2 cups of yogurt, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, half a lemon, and 8 tomatoes. I mixed it thoroughly and kept it aside. Step 2. Cooking the gravy. Take 8 to 9 medium to large onions, peel them. Quick tip, soak them in cold water. Placing your onions in cold water for a little while before cutting them up makes you less cheery. Once they have been in cold water for a little while, you can cut them widthwise as shown over here. Heat 2 cups of oil and add all the sliced onions. Fry them and use your spoon to break them apart. Make sure you stir them from time to time. Check on your onions and see if they are done. They need to be a little more golden than this. Stir them and fry some more. When they are as golden as shown over here, add your marinated mutton in it. Mix it thoroughly. Cook it on high flame until it starts boiling. Then lower your flame to medium. I didn't use a pressure cooker to cook the meat, and I slow cooked it on medium flame. Cook it till the mutton is tender and more than half of the water is evaporated. If your mutton is tender before the water evaporates, you can take out the gravy in another pot, boil it on the highest flame until the water evaporates, and then add this to your mutton gravy. This way you won't lose any flavor and your mutton will be safe from overcooking. It should look like this when it's fully cooked. You can see that most of the water is evaporated and you can see the masala. Now add some green chilies. It's optional, but I totally love the flavor and aroma it provides to the biryani. After adding the chilies, cook it on a low flame and keep the mutton gravy hot until the rice is cooked. Step 3. Soaking and cooking the rice. Let's talk about rice. Every Pakistani house has a rice glass or rice mug known as chawal wala glass or chawal wala mug. It might not be as same as a proper measuring cup, but we have used it for so long that we certainly know how many of those rice mugs to make for different servings. So this is my chawal wala mug, my rice mug, and I used 4.5 mugs, which is equal to 8 cups. Yes, I measured it for you guys. I'm using basmati rice. They are long grain rice and perfect for biryani. Well, I think they are perfect for biryani because some people also use sela rice for it. And when I tested them in biryani, I was hugely disappointed. Though I like sela rice in pulao, but not in biryani. Wash and soak your rice at least for an hour. I usually soak the rice before I start making the gravy and wash them later on when the gravy is cooking. To cook the rice, boil water in a large enough cooking pot and add salt. I usually add 1 teaspoon for 2 cups of rice, so I added 4 teaspoons and added a few slices of lemon. It keeps the rice beautifully white and keeps them from sticking together. People add different kinds of spices to the rice at this point, but I keep it simple. I don't add anything else because I think my masala already has so much flavor in it. Add the rice when water starts boiling and stir it well. Boil them and keep checking them. We want them to be parboiled, not fully cooked. This is how your rice should look like. Now sieve the water and prepare for the last step. Yay! Finally the last step, layering your biryani. Place your gravy and rice in such a way that it's easier for you to take them out and layer in a pot. This is how I set them up and I use a plate to handle rice. I think it's much easier than using a big spoon. So here's how you're going to layer it. First, add oil from the gravy and add rice and spread it out. Now add half of the gravy all over the rice. Add one more layer of rice and spread it. Now pour the remaining gravy on the top. If you think that it's too much oil, then let me tell you, it's okay. I use olive oil and I'm completely okay with it. Spread your gravy evenly and add the remaining rice all over it. Okay, at this point, people add mint, cura, it's an essence, food color, chilies, yes, more chilies, but I don't add anything. My style mutton masala biryani has already so much masala or flavor that I don't feel the need to add anything else. Probably if I'm making it for the guests, then I'll add mint, but nothing else. Cover it and put it on the lowest flame possible. Steam it for 30 minutes and remember, do not open the lid until 30 minutes are up. Wait for it, wait for it. Now, open. Whoa, look at that steam! Yay! Oh man, it smells so good! Look at that rice, it's perfect. Mix it the way I am mixing it. I've heard people saying, oh, don't mix it, do not over mix it with the spoon or the rice will break. But man, this is masala biryani. I have to give it a good mix or you'll be eating lumps of masala and no rice. Eek! After giving a good mix, you can dish it out and serve. Ah, this is making me hungry and I want to diet. I have to wait for my cheat day. Oh my god. Okay. My family completely loves this biryani. Even my toddler loves it. I know you guys might be saying this much masala, but you know what? Do give it a try. It's my style biryani, my signature food. So do give it a try and share your creations at mahas.shack on Instagram. I post 2 recipes in a week on Monday and Friday, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. Comment below and let me know. Did you like my style mutton masala biryani? Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.